All right, welcome back. So as you saw that time lapse, all this has come off. The only thing, there's going to be a couple of nuts. Apparently there's some studs that go through the top with bolts, and then there's other, or with nuts, and then there's others with bolts. So right now I think, because this has probably not been removed in a long time, I'm gonna have to tap on the intake manifold, and I think I have all the nuts and bolts out, so that's gonna be the next portion. You have to go underneath the car, and that's why I need a long extension. I have, like I said, a 10, an 18 I think, and then an 8. So all those together was able to get those 12 millimeter is what those are, those bolts off. This dipstick, you do have to remove that bolt just to slightly get it out of the way. Power steering fluid, take that off. Other remaining hoses, we'll see what I have left, but right now I just want to crack this loose and see if we can't keep going. So the next time lapse will just be me trying to remove this carefully, and I don't want to ruin anything. And yeah.